Budget workshop. It is Monday, April 2nd, 2018, at exactly 8:39 p.m. Mr. Mendez? Present. Ms. Garcia?
Present.
Ms. Cruz? Mr. Gonzalez? Mr. Lopez? Mr. Rosas?
Present.
Dr. Carmen?
Present.
And Mr. Tony Torres. Agenda item 3, discussion regarding budget for the 2018-19 school year. Ms. Rendon?
Thank you, Mr. Vargas. This is, I just wanted to review briefly the budget calendar for the 2018 to 2019 year. Just to go through, these are the dates, and they're tentatively to change. We've done all the way down to, and without going to discussion of what I've done, it's pretty self-explanatory. We're at the April 2nd, where we're reviewing the budget calendar. I've met with the principals and given them the allocations. They have a time set to, if you go down into April 15th, they are to turn it back in with me, where I will be meeting with the rest of the personnel to put a budget, work on collaborating to put the budget together. The key dates that I wanted to bring up is, usually we do this in the summer. Because of the new year, everything has moved up 2 months. So if we go all the way to the bottom, my target date to approve the budget for the 2018-19 is June the 12th, 2018. In order for that to happen, we need to speed it up, and we need to have the conversations and some commitments. I think we'll be bringing up this month or the beginning of next month is our compensation. Dr. Phillips talked a little bit about some of the incentives and so forth that we want to put through. So that's part of what we're going through. So you'll be seeing these items coming through for this coming year. And if you have any questions, that the dates are tentatively, just subject is just giving you a timeline. And if you all have any questions on anything particular. In the staffing, we did the TASB study. So these items are ongoing as we're speaking. And we will be having 2 workshops with you all to come back and bring in on those items that were discussed, those major items that we've done in the past. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rendon. Any questions? All right. Can I have a motion to adjourn? Motion by
Second.
Ms. Garcia, second by Mr. Mendez. We adjourn at exactly 8:42 p.m.